My name is Manish, and today we will learn how to make a first program on Eclipse. Okay, so now start Eclipse. It's an editor, and you can write any code by this Eclipse. So very firstly, I click on File menu. Okay, then New, then Java project. Okay, wait. So enter any name. My first program. Okay, then next. Okay, and finish. No more setting. Right click on this my first program, new, package. Do you know what is the package? Package is the collection of classes, and enter here the package name. I just enter my first pack. Okay, it's under src folder, and src folder is the my first program project. Okay, finish. So here you can check my first package mention. So right click on this package and click class. Okay, okay, enter the name, my first class. Okay, then finish. Any doubt? I think no. Just wait. What is happening? You can check here. This is the all code ready-made. Public class, my first class, and in the top of this screen, package, my first pack. Okay, so right there the code system. No. Very first time. Public static void main. Okay, string args. You can write any code, any name, not only args. It's not a mandatory. Okay, so system dot out. What happened? Yes, it's working. It's working. Wait. Oh, what is happening? Okay, system dot out dot print. Okay, and enter any word in the double quote. I here hello friends. Okay, it's a simple code, and just run it. There is no need to bind any command promote. Okay, so it will show this error in the bottom of the page. Hello friends. Okay, I hope you learn better. Just check this. Okay, what is the writing here? For latest or all videos, subscribe this channel or click on the bell icon. So please follow this banner. Okay, thank you.